How to change primary email on Facebook on desktop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your primary email on Facebook on your desktop. First, navigate to your Facebook account on your browser. Now click the profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Next, go to Settings and then click See More in Account Center. In the Account Center, go to the Personal Details tab on the left side. After that, click Contact Info and manage your emails here. To add a new email, click Add New Contact and then Add Email. Now, provide a new email address in the given field to use it across all accounts. Choose an account for this email that will help you to log in and receive notifications. Make sure to add the email address never used before. Similarly, you can remove any email address by selecting it and then deleting it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.